In the shadows of the city where the wires hum, Aiden plots his course, beating like a drum. Underneath the neon glow, his eyes are set for revenge on the ones he will never forget. The trail cuts deeper than a hacker's knife. Aiden fights the dark, guided by the spark. In the realm of bites, he plays a part. For every tear shed, he'll build a new way. In this twisted game, he'll bring forth the day. He'll bring forth the day. His niece's laughter echoes in the night's cold air. Lost in a digital world, he finds despair. With circuits and codes, he'll weave his fate, and with every keystroke seal their fate. Electronics buzzing, hear the final call.